Good day, class. Teacher Burke here with a new I Spy with my little eye. What do you see? I spy with my little eye a green apple looking at me. I spy with my little eye a book. I spy with my little eye a dog with large round eyes and a bright red tongue. I spy with my little eye a apple resting upon a book. I spy with my little eye a beautiful bird beginning to take flight. I spy with my little eye, oh, how exciting! Bowling! Come along with me, let's play a game. I spy with my little eye a ostrich, a giraffe, and a zebra. I spy with my little eye a happy birthday cake. Oh, is it for me? Okay, class. I hope you enjoyed these slides. This is a review of the expected assignment. 1. You may replay the video as many times as needed. 2. Write down what you see from each slide. I'm looking for here details. I would like to know, what color is the dog? Give me a detail about each thing that you see on each slide, please. Number 3, write down what you hear me say about each slide. This will take time, so please relax, replay the video as many times as needed, and take your time. Number 4, the happy birthday cake slide, I would like you to write down the happy birthday song and the colors on the cake. 5, there will be 1 point extra for the number of cake candles, spelling and punctuation. Now, class, spelling and punctuation is still new to us, and we're still working on it, so I will be awarding 1 extra point per slide. Number 6, there will be 10 extra points for anyone who turns the assignment in by Screen-O-Matic. I would love for you to make your own PowerPoint slide with your answers and present it back to me in a slide. You will have 2 weeks for this assignment. Good luck, everyone!